All right, we have news coming in and we are getting you these details from the Mahakumbh celebrations. The third Amrit Snan underway in Mahakumbh. Over 16 lakh devotees take the holy dip. I'm going to go straight across to Gaurav Sawant for more details. Gaurav, first of all, get us up to speed with the current arrangements that have been made in Mahakumbh. I understand that the Chief Minister has been monitoring the situation, the crowds, and the overall law and order situation since 3:30 in the morning. Talk to us about the kind of arrangements that have been made for today's Snan that of course is attracting millions on the occasion of Basant Panchami.
The very significant Basant Panchami Snan here today. This is the third and the last of the Amrit Snans, and after the Makar Sankranti and of course Mauni Amavasya saw the unfortunate stampede where several people lost their lives. It took away the sheen of the Snan that day, but today it's happening with all the grandeur. This is the last Snan where all the akhadas come in full splendor, and you see the power of the Sanatan Dharma. So the first three akhadas, the Nirvani Akhada, the Nirmohi Akhada and the Juna Akhada. These are the Shaiv Akhadas here, along with their associate Akhadas, the Anand Akhada. They've already done the Snan. And now it is the Bairagi Akhadas, which are the Vaishnavite Akhadas. They will be coming, and immediately after that, you will have the Udasin Akhadas. And this actually shows the strength of the Sanatan here. These Akhadas have their Mahamandaleshwars, the Saraswatis, the Giris, all the religious leaders. Today being Basant Panchami, it's all about praying to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of learning. At the same time, there's also a very clear message. The Akhadas and the Naga Sadhus who come right behind me on this track, the Naga Sadhus are seen as the protectors of the Dharma. You protect the Sanatan Dharma either with Shastra or knowledge or Shastra, weapons. So the Naga Sadhus take their weapons to Ma Ganga, whether it's their swords, the bow and arrow, the battle axes, and they also cleanse those weapons in Ma Ganga. It's an emotional dip. It's a spiritual dip. And I want to bring in my colleague Sanjay Sharma for more on this. Sanjay, सनातन की जो शक्ति हम इस समय यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं, लाखों की संख्या में श्रद्धालु भी हैं और जो अखाड़े हैं वो एक तरह से शक्ति प्रदर्शन कर भी रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल, वो शक्ति प्रदर्शन करके सनातन को इस बात की गारंटी देते हैं कि अभी हम हैं, वी आर हेयर टू सेव यू। और सनातन को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट रखा जाए, सनातन को पर अगर कोई संकट आता है, कोई कन्फ्यूजन होता है, जनता को कैसे धर्म की राह पर चलाया जाए। धर्म का मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं हिंदू मुसलमान, धर्म का मतलब ये, धर्म कहते हैं धारयते इति स धर्म, जो आपका स्वभाव है। जैसे बिच्छू का स्वभाव है डंक मारना, प्राणी इंसान का स्वभाव है उसको प्राणियों की रक्षा करना। तो सब अपने अपने धर्म का, आग का धर्म है जलाना, पानी का धर्म है सुखाना या भिगाना, हवा का धर्म है सुखाना और बहना। तो वैसे ही जिसका अपना स्वभाव है उस स्वभाव को बनाए रखते हुए जो सनातन का स्वभाव है वो ये है लोगों पे करुणा करना, भाईचारा और सत्य की रक्षा करना। तो इन सारी चीज़ों पर सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है करुणा। करुणा में कोई भी आदमी कष्ट में है उसकी मदद करना, उसको परोपकार कहते हैं। तो इसीलिए कहते हैं कि अष्टादश पुराणेषु व्यासस्य वचनम द्वयम परोपकार पुण्याय पापाय परपीडनम। दूसरे को पीड़ा देना पाप है और दूसरे की मदद करना, परोपकार करना वो पुण्य है।
और यहाँ पर हम पूरे वैभव में, I mean you look at the grandeur of the Sanatan Dharma, all the akhadas coming in their chariots with their devotees, with their followers behind them, and the devotees who want to take a snan, they are all there in a separate track. Again, unlike last time, this time very strictly being enforced. They come on one track, take a holy dip and leave immediately. All the snans have been renamed the Sangam Snan. So Ghat 1, Ghat 2, Ghat 3, Ghat 4, so that everyone doesn't rush to the Triveni Sangam for a holy dip. Much better managed today. Should have happened on the day of Mauni Amavasya, but then better late than never.
Be with us. I'll just come back to you in a moment from now. Gaurav getting in those details from Prayagraj, and a part of the celebrations are my other colleagues as well. First of all, we will put these sound bites out of seers, saints, sadhus who are reacting from what they see around them, the significance of Basant Panchami. Let's take a listen.
हमने इस राजसी अमृत राजसी शाही स्नान किया और हमने अपने देवताओं का पूजन किया, हमने गंगा का पूजन किया, हमने भगवान शिव का पूजन किया, हमने महादेव का पूजन किया। इस परंपरा को स्मरण में रखने के लिए लाखों करोड़ों सन्यासी और सनातनी तरसते हैं आज के इस दृश्य को देखने के लिए। तो इसलिए आज हम सब अत्यंत आह्लादित हैं। योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को बधाई देना चाहूँगा, धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने सभी 13 के 13 अखाड़ों के लिए जो दिव्य भव्य और सुंदर व्यवस्था कराई।
Kumatini vara sumati ke sangi kanchana barana biraj subesa kundala kunchita kesa atabhaja odvaja biraja kande muja jane usaje shankara suvana kesari nanda teja pratapa mahajagabanda vidya ragupati kinhi bauta baraya tuma mama priya jadhai samabai salsa balana tumaroja sagawin asakai shripati kanta lagawin.
It's an experience beyond words. I'm very blessed. I hope more people have this experience. There are more snans coming. I'm very grateful for that.
It's such a special occasion, special energy, and one love. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
There's nothing to elaborate. Only to live, to be in the here and now, because that's the only truth. It belongs to, you know, to your heart, you know. Just be happy to live and to be truly in what you do, you know. So I have no expectation. I'm so happy to be here. Here and now is enough for me today, you know.
You have taken a holy dip in Trivandrum?
Oh yes, I did, but I forgot to take Ganga Jal. I will come back to, because I need to bring home to friends and to share to friends and also some people who left, and it's a very special day to me.
What a blessing.